Come here, Mama, I got a taco for you. And that's a good morning to you. What is going on, Crows? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since we've done what we're doing today, and that is buying a fish for the 1,000 gallon. At least we're gonna go search for something to buy. All right, I'll be honest, I do have a fish in mind. The 3,500 gallon is doing awesome. Look at the gar. He's right at the camera. Hey, buddy. The pond is going through its first algae bloom. As you know, anytime you make a pond, especially in South Florida with how bright this sun is, you get algae blooms. Now, obviously, the UV filter helps with the algae. We have a big UV here, and there's our filter right there. But, you know, it still grows algae, so as you can see, it's a little bit foggy right now. It's got that green tint, but our fish are still fired up. Hey, buddy. It is time to feed. Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh, the gar. Look at them. I love these catfish. We are here. Back where we were a couple days ago, you know, tank selection here, like I mentioned last time, is incredible. Massive tanks. I actually low-key, not messing around, I really want this. Oh. Looks like Anthony got it. All right, Anthony, I'll give you that one. I'll give you that one. I really want this one too. This one's sick, 72 gallons, bow front. Well, looks like Jody got that. All right, I'm just gonna walk away from the tanks. Looks like they're all reserved. We're here at the big tank. Nice little tiger Oscar. Look at the upside down catfish. That catfish is literally upside down. That's kind of crazy. Look at that. But that right there, that fish, I want to know how to pronounce it so bad. It just says D-Lasoso. $150, wow. D-Lasoso. I saw this fish the other day, and it hasn't left my mind. It just hasn't, and I'm not gonna lie to you. I've been thinking about it, and I don't know why I've been thinking about it, because it's not even that, I mean, it is cool, but it's not like crazy. I just want it. It looks sick. And you know the best part? No one has it reserved like the tanks, so we might make that purchase happen. Look at the baby turtles. Soft shell. And a bunch of little yellow bellies. We're about to go to the fish room where you'll see all my yellow bellies painted and a bunch of different species of turtles. I bought 90% of those turtles here, and they were this size. The size of my fingernail. They grow quick, especially yellow bellies. They're like hogs. They hog all the food. They hog the space on the basking area. They just take over everyone. All right, let's go tell them that we want the D-Lasoso. Whoa, wow. Hey, that's an albino frog. What in the heck? That is a little crazy, I'm not gonna lie. It looks fake. I feel like he knows we're coming for him, look. Oh, he does. He's been out the whole time, and now the second we get the net out, he wants to hide. I'm excited for this one. I was here a couple days ago, as you know, Cuffaros. I saw him and I didn't get him. I tried to hold off. I was like, you know what? He's cool, but I'm not gonna spend $150. 2-3 days later, I just thought of it deeper and I just couldn't get it out of my head, and I was like, I really want that fish. Especially because I don't know what it is. Like, I mean, I know the name now, D-Lasoso, but I don't know where it's from. I know nothing about this fish, which is cool. So we'll definitely do some research once we get home and into the fish room with it. Before we bag our new fish, here's a word from today's video sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Family Island. Help a family stranded on an island build their dream home. Family Island is all about growing a farm. You know, I got chickens, goats, and a lot of pigs. So I can relate to this game a lot in real life. Build your own island and collect natural resources. Energy points and precious rubies help you collect your daily tasks. You can literally grow crops, prep food for the family, and trade goods with local merchants. Family Island is a casual, easy to play game that everyone can play. Guide the family through exciting quests and life stories. We're gonna do a quest real quick. We have to actually find all the starfish. So we go to the beach, click on the starfish. As you can see, right there, we've collected one, which completes the quest. We're gonna go on to the next one, picking mushrooms. We have to find 3 mushrooms on the island. There's 2, and one more, there's the 3rd one. By completing these tasks, we actually get energy points, which helps us level up. Something really cool about Family Island is every single week there's new events. You don't need to be a gamer to enjoy Family Island. And it's free. Wait a sec, I got a pet goat? Boots, is that you? Family Island allows you to enjoy the wildlife without leaving your home. When playing, you enter the fantasy of building your own island from scratch. There is always something to do. You can literally play it wherever, whenever. It never gets boring. It's a great way to relax, take a break, and unwind from the everyday life. You can play together, or you can also play alone. If you are a couple, you can compete with your partner over who reaches the next level first, who upgrades their building the fastest, and who has the most impressive island. Each person has their own strategy to level up and have the perfect island. Which one of you watching is the best Family Island player? That's my question. One of the most exciting things is becoming #1 on the leaderboard. Remember, every single week there's new tournaments with amazing prizes, like valuable keys, energy points, and gold. Compete with your partner, become #1, and win. Download Family Island on the App Store or Google Play. The link is down below. Just click it, download Family Island. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. I love the colors of the black. Sweet, all right. Dilasoso is in the bag. I want you guys to do me a favor though. Go to the comments down below, name this fish. Whatever you guys think we should name it, comment down below, and I will put one of your comments in an upcoming video. Scooping up some feeder fish to feed the 1,000 gallon. I finally got the GoPro, so we'll get some underwater stuff of that. Hey, little buddy. Hey. Dude, that is the smallest little, ooh, that might be one of the smallest ferrets I've ever seen. Thank gosh Taylor is not here, because we all know I'd be doomed. I got my own cart. Huh. Oh, and that's for a future video. No, there's no fish in there. I already put them in the pond. Subscribe so you don't miss that. Gosh, oh gosh, oh gosh. That's 100% gonna leak a little water, but you know, it's all good. Woo! We're here. Fish room. In about a month or so, this is gonna be a lot bigger. The ceiling's gonna go up another like 6 feet, and it's gonna grow 1,400 square feet. I want to do something before I put the new fish in, and that is feed our 50 goldfish to the 1,000 gallon. Oh my gosh, they're eating it through the bag. What I've been wanting to do for a while, the underwater GoPro footage of the 1,000 gallons so I can show you all the fish eating. Okay, let's do this. We haven't shown that in a while because it just hides 24/7. Without the GoPro, you'll never see it. That is an absolute bummer. They didn't eat like I expected. It was actually pretty lame. Although that's probably because I fed them yesterday. When they don't eat for a couple days, that's when they're really aggressive. You know they're full when the peacock doesn't even come up swerving. You got the gar right there. I gotta get this jet working. I don't know why that's not. But yeah, at least you got to see a lot of the fish that you haven't seen in a while, because from up above, you don't see as much to see when you get the GoPro down there. Before we get our new fish into the 1,000 gallon, Cichlids doing good. Flower horn, good. He's doing much better inside this tank than he was in the outside one with the snapping turtles, because he can actually eat in here. Turtles, of course, good. Goldfish, betas, good. My favorite of all time, axolotl. He's so healthy, so chunky, good. Saltwater tank, no more corals, but shrimp, fish, goby, good. Mantis hide in the rocks. I'm not even gonna say it again. That's enough. All right, let's get this fish out of this giant black bag. There he is. He looks like a big perch that you would catch ice fishing. Before we go any further with unboxing and revealing this fish, I want to look up a couple things about it. Nothing crazy. This is the coolest part about getting a species that I have never had before. I just found a page that actually tells us everything we need to know about this thing. I'm gonna try to pronounce this name, but it is up on the screen, so try to pronounce it with me, or if you know the fish, you're gonna laugh at this. So, Distichidus lasuso. Distichidus lasoso. I might have it right. I don't know. Distichidus lasoso. Long-nosed Distichidus. Anyway, its habitat is large rivers, which I could have guessed, honestly. Distribution is Republic of Congo. Congo, yeah, but it's on the screen. The maximum standard length that they get is about 15 inches. This one's probably about almost full grown, if not full grown. Not a good choice for a planted tank. Thankfully, all the plants are now floating in this tank, so that's a good thing. It will munch most greenery. That's good though, because then it gives it something to, like, you know, chow on. If it does want to eat a little bit of greenery, it's got some water conditions. They like the temperature of 72 to 79 degrees. pH levels between 6.5 and 7.5, which both those are literally right here. It died of live or frozen foods such as earthworms, prawn, or mussel. There's so much to learn about so many different species of fish. It's crazy. That's why I love getting new fish. Anyway, yeah, that's about like the main information that we'd really need to know. I'm going to pry the camera up right here. All right, we got this camera rolling right here, and I got this camera rolling. So we're gonna actually just scoop him up with one hand and give you guys a beautiful look at this fish. He's not happy. I wish I had a net to actually transport him. You know, one thing I noticed about this thing, it's very, oh, high water drop. It's very powerful. For how small it is, it has a lot of power. like that. You see that? Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. He made it in. That's all that matters. There it is, right down there, and it actually doesn't look too freaked out. Looks kind of comfortable. I do want to turn this aerator back on, which will provide a lot of oxygen and keep this water flowing. I turned it off for filming because it gets loud. And there it is. Aerator is on. It is pumping oxygen. I love having an aerator right in the middle. It's kind of like I have the 3,500 gallon as well. It just provides so much flow and the fish love it. So again, the 1,000 gallon, all these fish are actually going to be moved into a bigger pond once the building is done. But I tell you what, we are getting closer and closer to those days as time goes on. As you know, a part of the permits has already been approved. I'm just waiting on some of the survey work to get done, and then it's like bam, concrete slab goes down, 15 days for that to cure, and one day the whole entire metal building is up. It's like this, but literally 10, 50, 25 times the size. Thank you all so much for tuning into today's video. If you want to watch and see what the heck's going on over there, that is in the next video. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button. Again, don't forget to download Family Island and try it for yourself. Just now I completed my task and I'm now on level 5. Have fun with it. Let me know what you think down in the comments down below. I'll be replying to a lot of these comments talking about Family Island, so definitely comment your experience. Again, App Store, Google Play, it's available on both. Download Family Island right now. It's so much fun and it's easy to play. I am currently competing with a friend and seeing who can reach a level 6 first, so you could do so as well. Compete with your friends, family, and let me know what level you're on in the comments. Thank you so much, Family Island, for sponsoring today's video. Again, links are down below for everything. I will see you Cuffaros right back here in the next one. Peace!